Does your partner thinks that you are not lasting longer in the bed? Is your partner not satisfied? We'll be debunking some common myths and giving you the fact on how long a man should last in the bed. First off, let's talk about the average time frame. Research suggests that average duration of intercourse lasts between 3 to 7 minutes. However, many factors can influence this number, such as individual preferences, experience, and even the type of relationship. Now, some studies indicate that when you factor in foreplay, the entire sexual experience can range anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes or more. So keep in mind that it's not just about penetration, it's about the overall experience. Now let's debunk some myth surrounding the sexual performance. Myth number 1, longer equals better. There is common belief that the longer you last, the better your performance. While the duration can play a role, quality matters just as much, if not more. Focusing on intimacy and connection often lead to more satisfying experience for both the partners. Myth number 2, men should last at least 20 minutes. Many people believe that men should aim for a minimum of 20 minutes of penetration to satisfy their partners. However, every couple is different and satisfaction can be achieved in various time frames. Myth number 3, it's all about penetration. Another misconception is that penetration is the only aspect that counts. Foreplay, emotional connection, and communication are crucial for fulfilling sexual experience. Many women prioritize this element over duration. So what factors can influence how long a man lasts in the bed? Number 1, anxiety and stress. Performance anxiety can significantly impact the duration. The more stressed or anxious you feel, the more it can affect your performance. Number 2, experience and comfort. Experience level and comfort with your partner plays a big role. The more relaxed you are, the better the experience tends to be. Number 3, health and lifestyle. Factors such as diet, exercise, and sleep can also influence stamina. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can help improve your performance. Number 4, communication. Open communication with your partner about preference and desire can lead to more satisfying sexual experience, regardless of the duration. To sum it all up, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to how long men should last in bed. The average duration may be around 3 to 7 minutes for penetration, but the overall sexual experience should be satisfying and fulfilling regardless of the time. If you find yourself worried about the duration, remember, quality, connection, and communication are key. Every couple is unique and understanding each other's need can lead to more pleasurable experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more videos on health and wellness.